Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the triple Aliners brand bed mat for the Ford Maverick. This bed mat is a budget-friendly bed mat. It seems to be pretty high quality and it definitely won't break the bank. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, so here is the bed mat by triple Aliners. Let's go ahead and go over some of the specs of this bed mat and then we can go ahead and pop this in the back of the truck. So they claim this is going to be a perfect fitment. They used a 3D scanner to scan the Ford Maverick's bed when they made this product. This bed mat is made out of a TPE material, which is wear resistant and also scratch resistant. It does have the contoured edges that go around the mat to give it a nice fitment, again, for the bed of your truck. The raised edges also prevent spills and water going over into your bed. And just a quick note, when you get your mat, you're gonna need to cut along the inside edge right here so you can access your hooks once you install it. Now, when you do order this, the bed mat is gonna come folded up in the box. So what you're gonna wanna do is unfold it and lay it out on a flat surface, preferably in the sun for like an hour or two, and then you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed. So here she is, nice and snug up in here. Again, you're probably gonna wanna let this thing sit out in the sun for a little bit so it can, tighten up. But here's the fitment. Looks to fit really nicely inside. So you guys, if you guys want some protection for your bed, if you don't have a bed liner, then I would highly suggest picking up a triple Aliner bed mat. It's also going to prevent your items in the back of the truck from, flying everywhere. And this is what I was talking about for the hooks. You're gonna wanna cut this so you can access your hooks. And you can access it pretty good too, just like that. But yeah guys, this is a pretty nice bed mat. You can access this easily. No problems. If y'all are interested in picking up a bed liner, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. I believe you can only get these off of the Walmart website. I don't think they're on Amazon just yet, but once they do, I will surely include the link down below. All right guys, well that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Until next time, y'all.